Hi, my name is Jeff Lumley. I work for the federal sales team at StillSecure. As a company, StillSecure is a network security product company. We've been in business for about 7 years, headquartered in Denver, Colorado. We've got a wide spectrum of customers, but the key verticals for us are the government, education, finance, and high tech. Philosophically, we're on a mission to bring to market extremely easy to use and cost-effective network security systems. This means enabling our customers to focus on their core business and delivering intuitive user interfaces that don't necessarily require the skills of a seasoned security pro for installation and operation. In general, we tend to be fans of open source. We're contributors and receivers in that area. We're integration friendly. What this means tangibly is all of our systems have open APIs in them to enable integrations with our security tools as well as third-party tools such as ticketing systems, SIMs, patch managers. All StillSecure systems are designed to run on off-the-shelf hardware. This means we can furnish the system as an appliance or as software only. Most of our prospects and customers prefer the appliance model. The most important key philosophical focus that we have at StillSecure is a focus on the success of our customers and using a whatever it takes type mentality to accomplish that success by our customers' standards. So now let's talk a little bit about the products that we provide. They're in 4 areas. Safe Access, which is a network access control system. VAM, which is a vulnerability management system. StrataGuard, which is a network intrusion detection and prevention system. And then lastly, Cobia, which we refer to as a unified network platform. So we'll start with NAC and Safe Access. The core philosophical pillar with network access control is the question of, is it safe to let a system on the network? Now, once a system has access and an ability to do harm, do we want to keep that system on the network as a function of the device's security posture? Also, we want to determine what level of access does a particular user have. Maybe what VLAN are they assigned to and what systems can they see on that part of the network. We believe Safe Access is purpose-built for testing performance in a NAC context. And we also believe that it's very flexible as far as testing different user populations and then enforcing those policies on the network side of things. We believe Safe Access is the most mature and most complete NAC solution available on the market today. And at its core, we feel NAC is really about enforcing security policy on endpoint machines. Next, we have VAM, which is vulnerability management. At the core, we believe VAM delivers strong end-to-end lifecycle management with vulnerabilities. What we mean by this is from the time a vulnerability is identified in a network-based scan till the time it's been verified as remediated through the entire process. VAM can keep a closed loop of accountability and be able to report on that at a tactical level and a strategic level. Part of this component is the automated scanning piece. We can do scheduled scanning policies that really free up administrators' time. Robust workflow, that's the idea of once we have all the vulnerabilities identified, how do we manage them against sometimes complex organizational lines through to their verification. And lastly, a key component we see is compliance reporting as a function of vulnerability management. What type of reports can you generate about the risk posture, the threat environment, and risk management? Next, we have StrataGuard, which is network intrusion detection and prevention. At the core, we believe this is about detecting and preventing network attacks in real time. A key advantage of StrataGuard is its ability to reduce false positive through what we call event qualification. This is the idea that if you have a traffic pattern with a large volume of attacks, what events really need your attention as a subset of those? For instance, what attacks are actually generated at a live IP or at a vulnerable device, meaning they're a real event as opposed to a false positive. Lastly, with StrataGuard, we believe that we can manage multiple sensors in an enterprise environment from a centralized console, which we believe is very powerful for some of our customers. Lastly, we have Cobia, which is a unified network platform. We believe Cobia brings together core networking and security services onto a single appliance. For instance, running firewall, DNS, DHCP, a router, and an IPS all in the same box. We see the power here as a low total cost of ownership, providing value through consolidating all those services, sometimes tools or systems, onto a single box. If you want to find out more information about StillSecure as a company or our paid products, please visit www.stillsecure.com. We believe in freeware. We distribute freeware versions of our systems, and we believe that's a powerful tool to help us win within the marketplace. Please visit www.stillsecure.org for more information and for download links on our freeware systems. In review, we talked a little bit about the company. We hit on some philosophical areas. We talked a little bit about the products, and lastly, we told you where you can get more information. In closing, I'd like to say thanks. And again, those websites, www.stillsecure.com, www.stillsecure.org. Thank you.